Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to break a line in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've just placed the shape in here using the shape tool. So I've placed that in there and I've played around the colors. So now from here, I want to break a line. So say if I want to break the top left hand line here, so I want to break that line. So what I need to do is click onto the image, and then from here we need to go ahead and click onto convert to curves. That's an important step. Now once you've done that, you can see these dots on all these line points, and that's what we want. Now from here we need to go ahead on the left hand side and make sure we're on the node tool, so that is selected. Then from here click onto the point, so I want to click on that point and then shift click onto the next point. Then from there at the top we need to go ahead and click on break curve. Now if we come over to the right hand side, we've got two layers, so we've got polyline and line. So what we need to do is just click on the line layer, and that is selected. Then on the left hand side we want to go ahead and use the move tool, and now from here we can just break that line away like so. Now when you do it, make sure you select the bottom part of it so you can move it like this. Now if we select the whole image and try and move that line, you can't do that, so you just got to be careful. So you just make sure to click on the line, and then on the lower part of the line or the upper part, we want to go ahead and drag that out. So click on line and then move that out. Well, it's not letting me do that at the moment. All right, that's now it's selected. So now we can move it like that. So it is a bit of mucking around depending what shape, but you can move it.